our first episode where we talk only English.
Yeah, only English. Tractor!
And we suck at it.
Yeah, I think it too, but we are going to fishing with the boat. Yeah, it's very cool. We are almost there. No, only joking. Not even close. 2 miles! 2 miles.
Long way to hill.
Yeah.
To hell.
Look at that. This is our weapon. We gonna use it when we kill fish. Very dangerous.
We have knife to kill a fish.
Yeah, that's very dangerous too.
It's on boat. You should see it soon.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold on to next time when we fish. Bye bye, suckers. We are going to fishing and we are almost there. Can you see? Oh shit, there is a car. It almost ran over us. Look, the lake is there.
Guys, hey. What's Failure's profile? He's my master. Failure 575.
Yeah, TPV. Woo!
It sucks.
Yeah, it sucks. I think that too.
Where is our boat?
I can see.
I don't remember the color of it.
It was yellow, like a peach.
Well, we are soon there.
And we're gonna show you then. Bye bye.
Okay, hi guys. Here is our fishing master. He can get fish. Look, look.
That was pretty long, do you think so?
Hey, let's stand up. Stop that.
I like that.
Hi guys.
Hello, this is Noobs with Camera fishing episode. And it's very beautiful here, but no sun. And it's very cold and water is, I don't know, it's very cold. And what do you think, Jussi, about this fishing episode?
Yeah, this is a little bit boring, but we can get fish, as you will see.
Yeah, I think it too, cause we are here to catch a fish and we're gonna catch it too. But we have, it's 3 hours now. Yeah, that's very long time.
Oh my gosh, now I got fish. Look, it shakes like a Shakespeare. I got fish.
Yeah, it's shaking like a Shakespeare. That's not a fish, you asshole. That's the virvel thing. Throw it.
That's the big time.
Yeah, I think it too, but yeah, that wasn't so pretty good.
Rapid.
Yeah, very.
They're moving like a pigs.
Our home is there. I'm gonna show you.
Oh, it's not there. Little bit right. Wait, right there.
There, can you see the white little thing there?
What there?
There, can you see it there? There is our house and we are
I want
very,
fish!
I don't know, you can see it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I think it's too little boring to us, because we are noobs with camera. And we are not so good at English and not so good at fishing and
we have a knife. Show it.
yeah, we have very sharp knife. Yeah, that's
It's
very
a little bit
thing.
ruostunut, but that's not.
Yeah, it's little brown, but I'm gonna show you. This is very hard to take. Ah! Osh. Yeah, look. Very sharp. Very beautiful knife. Yeah. And then we have a
Knife kills.
fish killing thing. We kill fish with that. Then we have a ankkuri here.
Oh, we have ankkuri. Why you don't throw it? We stay here.
Yes, I'm gonna throw the ankkuri to us.
But we have.
Then we have a water ball here. We can throw it there and we can. Then we can catch it. Yeah. Then.
Kiitos se mun jalkaan se ankkuri.
Are you crazy little? Okay, I'm gonna throw the ankkuri now to water and it's so fucking heavy. I'm gonna stop little time now.
You have to.
Bye.
Hello guys, we are still here. We are a bit cold and the naked man like Markus is gonna get us to
How much
there.
Okay, it's 8 p.m. in Finnish time. I don't know what is there in America, Africa or wherever you are. But 8 p.m. in
This
Finnish
is a
time.
bit crappy boat, like you see.
Yes, very much. All big
And here is the fucking. And here is me, like you see. And stuff. Okay.
Oh,
Well. See you next time. He hurt his hand, so I have to look what happened. Okay, hi guys again. We were fishing and we have no fish because of him. He can tell something.
yeah, he think it was my fault, but it wasn't. And we were only 4 hours there and no fish. No fish.
So totally no fish.
Yeah. And the boat was from the asshole, I think. What do you think?
I have nothing to say.
Yeah, but I think it was very traffic. But now we are going home and
I can't try.
yeah, playing Counter-Strike. And now we are going through the angry dog. What? No, what? Don't watch. But listen. Can you hear? Yeah. I know. Do you think they are scary?
Look, little dog.
Yeah, I saw it. It's coming here. Oh shit! Are you scared?
That's it.
Are you scared? Look! Scary dogs.
Let's leave before their dad comes and eat us.
Yeah. You're gonna be so dead. Oh.
Hey, guys, see you another time.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Parjes. Tää on tämmönen ruuanpaisto.
Yeah, we are eating egg and bacon.
Bacon.
Bacon, yeah.
No.
Delicious.
Puheen.
Very nice.